Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today on BFix we'll unpack an ADIDAS shoe and we'll go through in details. How good is it? I got it from Amazon. Is this ADIDAS shoe is genuine or not genuine? Does it has any comfort? Is the size is okay? All of those things, and the price point absolutely for sure. Okay.
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
Alright, let's get started. Here's my friend. So the good thing to buy product from Amazon is you get an option to return it if the size doesn't fit. Okay, size doesn't fit. So let's see. Oh, the box is really good, super genuine. Looks like, and the make is good. So it's an ADIDAS. Looks like it's an European thingy. Art friendly material. It says art friendly material. Made in art friendly. Okay, good. It says PGD 40. I don't know is it okay or not. So it's an European thing. My one is the thing that I requested is basically like 42. European 42. My size. I think it's okay. Yes, 42 US 8.5. Yes, fantastic. The size is okay. The quality seems, you can see the shoes, it's really nice. The quality is good. It's not a cloud foam. Yes, it's a cloud foam. Holy smoke, I like this one already. It's an ADIDAS. It's a cloud foam because my last shoe was also cloud foam and I love them. And I saw lots of review that they're like this lace is very thin. Not so thin. It's okay, you know. And this is a Galaxy 6M. ADIDAS Galaxy 6M. Okay, so the price was I think give or take I got it an offer, so it was low, but genuine price was around like I think like $100, around $100, probably like 95 or something. I mean, I'm converting Singaporean dollar to that one, so it's like that. So around, let's see the build quality. So this foam, this backside is needs to be fluffy. Okay, if it does not have any foam, if it is not soft, then you will have trouble in your ankle. What happens, you will have those blister in your ankle when you walk, run, or whatever. So this is a running shoe, so you need to be more careful about this ankle side. And this part seems okay also. Okay, usually you'll know where this is made in, from, it's made in Indonesia. Okay, so it's nearby country of Singapore, so it's in Indonesia. My last shoe was from ADIDAS and it was from Thailand. So this one, no, Vietnam. So this one is from Indonesia, our neighboring country. So we'll see how good is it. Okay, the make, it has enough grip on it, you can see, so you don't have to worry about running. Inside, it's not that smooth really, it's soft, it's okay I think. And okay, that is strange. I never seen ADIDAS having inside foam like retractable, so it's kind of is coming out already. Okay, so you can change it, looks like, but that's okay. I have, like in old days they have that one, you can pull out this thing and put inside bag, so I don't mind pull out or pull back, but this is kind of strange. Okay, so you can see, like, you can basically pull it out. Okay, so you can change it, that's a good thing. Okay, now what I will do, I will but before that, so you can see this is a nice piece of shoe. It has this glossy looking greenish leather in here. It's a leather there also, and this is kind of reddish, this Adidas strip. Okay, and there's many instruction whatever, I don't know, but let me try it out first. I need to try it out. Is it really comfortable or not comfortable? I'll know for sure. Okay, the shoe is, give or take, it's okay. It's a little bit in tighter side, but it's okay. I tried out. Here you see, I'm showing it to you guys. So you see, it's fit well. It's comfort, and it looks nice. So that's it, everybody. You can, it's a decent buy, so you can buy it, I think, and it's genuine. It's comfortable. I tried out. So, and it's a white running shoe, so it's also good. It's white, so it looks nice, and it's fit well. The size is okay, and it's cheap. It's around like 95 to 85, $89. So you can get it, and build is okay. I think that's it. So to get such kind of good reviews and stuff, please make sure to like my video and subscribe. Bye bye everyone.